Hi friends, we are calling from National Knowledge Services Private Limited from Hyderabad. We have established this organization on November 2019. So actually we are as National Knowledge Services providing the IT services of all solutions under one roof. So also we provide different wide variety of IT services and develop in-house SaaS products for individual customers and companies catering to at most all industry types. So at the same time, we believe the importance of building a trustworthy and long-term business relationship with all our clients. Hence, we collaborate and strive to understand the problem first and achieve a value-added smart solution to it. Our mission is give the best solution and deliver the expected product delivery with the quantity and qualitatively, and identifying the problem and provide the best solution with affordable prices. And our vision is to become a household name when it comes to any kind of IT requirement, be it interviewing, projects, development, or support, or IT services. Okay, actually we are identified the gap in the market as one is expensive IT solutions, and the other one is technologies are using or information implementation is like outdated, and we have seen after sales inadequate support to the teams, and we didn't find any one-stop solution anywhere in the market, and that's the reason we are providing the best solutions to the team by providing the support in all the cases in all the ways. And also we are doing the business in the recurring revenue model business and also customer centric approach. We are developing multiple we are providing IT services, and at the same time we are providing in-house products and apps application to reach the customers and to get it done, all the things in easily and very well. And also we are planning to generate the revenues by investing 1.5 crores and getting we are in plan to invest in investment 1.5 crore and plan to raise the revenue profits to 15 crores by the 5 years. So this is the biggest opportunity to the investors who can do the best investment, get the best profits. We are very happy to get tie up with the investors. Please welcome. Thank you.